person to raise their hand will answer it. If they get the question correct, their form gets 5 points. Wrong, they get nothing.
Someone else can hop on and do the same question and get 4 points. And if they don't get it right, someone else can get 3 points.
If everyone gets it wrong, we're going to tell you the answer.
You guys can help out. You can shout out the answer if you guys know it, so your people can raise their hands. Right. Question 1. You guys ready? Okay. Question 1. What is Mr. Chang's biggest fear?
Philip, I need some help, guys. You shout out to him.
This seems a bit harsh. Let me give a hint. But we're going to deduct the points.
Any clues, guys? No? Mr. Chang? Can you give us a hint?
Where's your biggest fear? Something you do not want to reveal.
Something he doesn't want to happen to him.
Something so dark that once revealed, you can never show your face to humanity ever again.
It is something to do with his getting his hair lost. You are correct.
So, we have several English teachers in year 11. But which teacher is smart enough to recite Romeo's death speech by heart? You are correct. Nice work, guys. All right. So, some teachers have met famous people in Hong Kong, but which teacher met Jackie Chan, Jackie Chung, and the King and Queen of Malaysia through performing at various functions in Hong Kong? I wasn't the one who wrote the questions.
Just here to present it.
Those are paid. Right. Or the answer will not be the same for this one. Alright, so we have a special type of question here. Which teacher would choose to invite President Obama, Xi Jinping, Mr. Matuk, and Kim Jong-un to a dinner party if they had a chance? A. Mr. Tate, B. Mrs. Chan, C. Mr. Chang, or D. Mr. Kitchen? Kitchen? Mrs. Chan. Correct!
Thank you for 4 points.
Mr. Chang used to live and work in the Sultanate of who? Or let me repeat. Mr. Chang used to live and work in the Sultanate of who? Or where? Or when? Or why? Or how?
You said all right.
Canada. Canada isn't the when. I'll give you a hint. It's not Iraq.
I need some help. Come on, guys.
Or Afghanistan.
This is such a hard audience to play to. He's doing very well. Monday morning, yeah. No practice. No practice.
No one? 5 seconds.
Or
Take a guess.
Looks like nobody got the answer. Boo-hoo. He was the Sultanate of Oman, a place I've never heard of.
Alright, number 6. Which teacher out of all your form tutors is the only one without a middle name? This is Delio.
Chang. Miss Chang. Miss Chang.
You get 2.5 points for getting the gender wrong.
Alright. Which teacher was at the Kuwait Navy's passing out parade on the 30th June of 1997 when Hong Kong was handed back to China? Mr. Tate. You think I
I didn't get that. I didn't get that.
We can make it multiple choice. Okay. Which teacher was at the Kuwait Navy's passing out parade on the 30th June of 1997 when Hong Kong was handed back to China? A. Mr. Chang, B. Mr. Kitching, C. Mr. Oyuki, or D. Mrs. McLone Thompson?
Mrs. McLone Thompson.
You are correct. Now we have a special question, a gamble or play it safe question. So this is how it works. One brave soul must raise their hand for this special type of question. If they get it right, they get 10 points. Oh, that's a lot. But if they get it wrong, dun, 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 we're going to deduct 10 points from your form. So, you must choose, but choose wisely.
What is Mr. Kitching's favorite way of relaxing? Nothing to do with airplanes, all right? My people. Somebody raise their hand.
Raise your hands carefully. We do not count negative points.
Pole dance, we'll take it. Add it. What class are you in? C, right? B. Okay.